everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. So you guys, today's video is a stock up grocery haul. This is just a little bit. I've actually got to go to I got to go back to Aldi. I need to take my stock up list or my prep list and get a few more things. So I went to Food Lion, got these few things at Food Lion, and these things came from Aldi. So let me share with you what I was able to get. I spent about $86 at Aldi and another $5 at Food Lion, $25 and some change. So I got 2 packages of Kleenexes. Jackson actually needs those in the car. Picked up some of this all-purpose cleaner. This is Valencia Orange. That was $1.99. These were 99 cents. We got the Boulder paper plates. Those came in at $1.19. I got 2 of those to stock up. Now, as far as just some additional food items, I got the Never Any brand. Now, these are not one ingredients. Skinless chicken meat, water. Yeah, these are not one ingredients. So I got the chicken breakfast sausage, 2 of those. We got the chicken sausage, 2 of those, the apple kind. But this is a no nitrates, Whole30 approved, but not one ingredient. So those were all these were $2.69, $2.99. We picked up 2 of the Never Any bacon. They were $4.99. And then I got 2 of the honey ham. They were $3.29, 50% off. So I'll put that in the freezer. We'll eat one in the freezer. Got a pineapple for $1.25, biggest pineapple they had. Salmon, $4.99. And then we got some scallops, all natural scallops for, I think they were $5.99. I got 2 of those. This is Whole30 approved, or at least on the list I checked. This is a Simple Natured pasta sauce, marinara pasta sauce, no sugar added. The sugars in here just come from the tomatoes themselves. So I picked up a couple jars of those. So 4 jars, they were $1.79 each. Got some of these little whole potatoes. We'll throw those in with some seasonings and a little oil. Kind of bake those up to have with some of these apple sausages. And I got those were $2.99. Pure olive oil, they were $2.99. We got some balsamic vinegar. That came from Walmart. This was, I forget how much that was. Garlic powder, 95 cents. And then we got tomatoes. So I got the Happy Harvest diced tomatoes. These are garlic, basil, and oregano, 46 cents. Then we just got regular diced tomatoes, 41 cents. And then we got tomato paste, 8 cans of that. And we got those for $0.25. Picked up a few more of these grape tomatoes. We're going to roast these. We already have 2 other ones. We'll go ahead and roast those up as far as a meal prep. They were $1.49, I think. $2.07 for sweet potato fries. Grapes were 95 cents a pound for the red ones. So that's what we got at Aldi. And it was right at $86 and some change. So remember, I did have $50 for preps. And then I had an extra $120. So I had $130 to use for preps. I got to make sure that I didn't forget to pull some money out for something else. All right, then I had, I had $170. Yeah, so I had $170 for preps. Okay. Then I had, these coffees came from from Food Lion. The medium roast decaf. I like a dark roast, but their medium roast is the decaf. So that came $4.99 for 22.6 ounces. I got 3 cans of those because I'm down to my last can. Now, this is not Whole30, but I'm having it. This is sugar-free chocolate caramel. I am going to still use the coconut and almond milk from Kalisa Farms, but I'm just going to add a little bit of that in it. I wanted to try this, and I can't try it on Whole30, but this is the only thing that's non-Whole30 compliant that I am going to try. Then I got this cooking spray, coconut oil, and then I picked up, of course, the banana chips from Bear. So that is what I got at Food Lion, and that right there cost me $25.85. Alrighty, you guys, so I went over to Walmart and picked up a few things for the preps. So we got 8 cans of cut green beans. We got 2 cans of seasoned Margaret Holmes greens and 2 turnip greens. We picked up nutritional yeast flakes. We're going to use those in just some recipes. Picked up another of Rags liquid aminos because we use this. We have one open, but this will go into the pantry. Picked up some raisins. Picked up some crunchy mango chips. Got another big thing of 60 count eggs. This will probably last us most of the month. We haven't been eating as many eggs as normal since we don't have cheese. But I did get some turkey sausage. Chicken sausage. So we're hopeful to use eggs. Unsweetened almond milk and this Lar bar cereal. We're going to try that. We do like the Lar bars, but we're going to try and see if we like that. Not sure if that's Whole30 approved. Probably not. Probably got fooled by the name, right? Unsweetened applesauce, we picked that up. And then we needed a new blender because ours broke. We broke the blender and the food processor. So that totaled $61. So that's what we picked up over there. So there it is, you guys. I've been watching Kimmy. You know, she's been sharing preps. I think hers was seafood, not personal items, like cleaners, household, and some other stuff this month for April, and seafood, household items, and something else I forget. But she did make something, a statement that I thought was good. She said, buy what you eat and eat what you buy. So I've been looking and just trying to buy stuff that I know that the kids and I will eat, specifically with being on Whole30 or keto. What could we eat, you know, on our current eating plan? And the reason I'm sticking to that or trying to is because even if we were to go into a situation where we needed emergency food, I still want to try my hardest to stick to the plan that I'm on. I may not be able to, and I may have to jump and do something different. But for right now, I'm going to do my best to stock the things that we are eating right now. So anywho, you guys, there it is. Just a stock up preps for the month. I was glad I was able to do it this month. I was glad I was blessed to be able to do it this month. Keep joining us because we're actually going to get ready to start the garden. So the garden prep will start probably within the next week or so. And yeah, we're hopeful that we will have a fruitful garden this year. So anywho, there it is, you guys. If you like the video, be sure and thumb it up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.